Here I have Huawei P20 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So they will enable you entering the hidden modes, the very useful tricks on your Huawei. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer. And let's start with the first one, very useful one. So just enter *##, 28 46 57 9 ###. And now we are in project menu, so you can check there are plenty of things like version info, network information, or many others. So as you can see, you can select background settings, and here you've got background debug, USB port settings, and you can open them and change it. You can also open window informations over here. So you've got version info. Just give your device a while to open it. And here you've got all the info about version of your device, then manufacturer info, other info, and verify key. Let's go back. There's also network information query, software upgrade, restore factory, and also battery charge. So you can select all of this info. So let's go back, and now we will go to the second menu. So it's about phone, and the code is *##, 4 zeros, #*##. And here we've got all the detailed info about your device. So it's the model, build number, hardware version, PRL version, email numbers, and all the others. So you can get all the knowledge about your device over here. Let's go back. And now I will show you how to enter all the calendars in one place. So just enter the code, which is *##, 225, *##. And here you'll notice all information from your calendar, from your phone calendar. If you have Gmail here, it will be also included here, and all the events from the country that you are staying in, it will all be included here. Let's go back, and now let's open Google Play service, and the code is *##, 426, *##. And now, as you can see, you are in Google Play services. You can run ping test here. You can check connect, disconnect, events, and the status. So that's it. Let's go back, and we will now go to the last but not least trick. It's actually most useful one. So it's checking your email number. Just enter a short code, which is *##, 06#. And here you've got email numbers and also serial number of your phone. So that's it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.